Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the app installation speed test comparison between the Realme P4x versus Moto G57 Power. The Moto G57 Power, which comes with the UFS storage 2.2 in this device, and the Realme P4x, which comes with the UFS storage 3.1. And today I'm going to demonstrate the app installation speed test between the both of the devices, and let's find out which phone will be able to open this app, install these applications faster. And this is my YouTube channel, guys, and make sure to follow my playlist videos for the more information on the Realme P4x and the Moto G57 Power. As you can see, you can check the links in description below for the more details about the both of the devices. So right now, let's get started with this app installation speed test. I'm going to install the same application between the both phones. So let me to go here and let's try to install the same application. So these are UFS storage 3.1, UFS storage 2.2. And these are the benchmark application which I'm going to install at this moment between the both phones at same time. And let's click at same time and let's see which phone will be able to install this application faster. So this is 1 GB of application size. And let's try to click again. So let's see which phone will be installed fast, this 3D benchmark application. So right now both phones are installing at same time. So the UFS storage 3.1 did finish slightly faster than the UFS storage 2.2. As you can clearly see the difference, guys. So it's a quick overall app installation speed test comparison. So definitely the UFS storage 3.1 will be having slight advantage in terms of the app installation overall if you compare with the UFS storage 2.2 and 3.1. So just now I did uninstall the application and let's try to reinstall again. Let's see whether this will help any kind of results or not. So this is the second time I'm trying to do the similar kind of speed test. And right now again first in the UFS storage 3.1. And you can see installation speed as well between the both phones. Again faster in the UFS storage 3.1. So this overall speed test comparison between the both of the devices, guys. So Realme P4x versus Moto G57 Power regarding the application speed test comparison, UFS storage 3.1 and the 2.2. Meanwhile, signing off. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates and bye.